Hello guys, welcome sa ato ang bagong discussion. In this video, maghisgot ko bahin sa friction, kinds of friction, unit of friction, normal force analysis, and some application of friction. Sige, dito magdugay, birahan na nato ni. What is friction? Friction is a force that always resists motion or impending motion. Ang pasabot aning impending kana bitawng hapit na mag-move ang imuhang object. It always acts parallel to the contacting surface. Matik din niya ang iyahang motion always acts parallel sa imuhang surface. Para atong mas masabtan ang iyahang concept, maghatag og illustration. For example, kaning box, nag-apply ka og force P to the right. Therefore, ang imong box mag-move po ni siya to the right. Karon, unsa ka ang direction sa imong frictional force? Siyempre, to the left. Nga naman, resist or iyang gi-counter ni nga force. How about this one, inclined? Nag-apply ka og 100 pound force sa imuhang 300 pound nga box. Based ani nga force, imog yung gi-attempt og pasaka ang imuhang box. Mo nang ang friction ani is again sa imuhang applied force, which is parallel sa imuhang surface. Mora ni siya ang idea regarding sa imuhang friction. Naon sa may mga kinds of friction. The frictional force exerted on stationary body, pasabot wala pa naglihok, is known as dry friction and sometimes called column friction or fluid friction. But this fluid friction is dili ta maghisgot ani nganuman. Naman ni siya sa fluid mechanics nato ma-discuss. For now, mo-focus lang ta sa dry friction, which is column friction. Kumusta man kung ang object naglihok na? If the body is moving, the friction known as dynamic friction. And take note, dynamic friction is less than static friction. Karon dirita sa imuhang unit of friction or equation, mo ni iyahang concept. The actual magnitude of the frictional force depends on the normal force and the coefficient of friction. This is Greek alphabet nga mu between the body and the surface. Ang frictional force di ay nagdepende sa imuhang force normal and coefficient of friction, this one. Therefore, frictional force equals force normal times coefficient of friction. Mo na imuhang equation. Unsa kay unit sa imuhang frictional force? Kung mo ni ato ang equation for frictional force, we have this one. Kanina imuhang frictional force, ang iyang unit is Newton and pound. Nganuman, sa pangalan palang daan nga force, kabalo gid ka nga Newton and pound. And we have normal force, we have Newton and also pound. And your coefficient of friction kaning mu, this is, timan-in ning duha ha, unitless. Wala siya unit. Ikaduha, always less than 1. Karon ato sang hisgutan kining imuhang normal force. Unsa man di idea aning normal force atong i-check? Normal force analysis. For a body resting on a horizontal surface, the normal force is the weight of the body. Unsay pasabot? Pag nasa horizontal surface, ang imong normal force is equal sa weight sa imuhang body. For example, kani. Mo ni imuhang body or your object kani nga box. Siyempre, nagi na siya frictional force nga ni counter sa imuhang applied force. Then you have the weight of the object. Unsa man nga force ang ni counter ani? Mo na tong gitawag og normal force. Mo nang summation of force along y, we have force normal minus weight, that is equals to force normal equals weight. Mo na siya kani nga principle number 1. Kung inyo pong tanawon ang ato ang free body diagram, again kay static man ta, always kita mo follow sa third law of Newton. In every action, there is an opposite but equal reaction. In every action, there is an opposite but equal reaction. Munang dirian natay force normal equals mass times gravity, which is also an equation of your weight. Principle number 2. If a body rests on a plane inclined at an angle theta from the horizontal, the normal force is, unsa kay ang normal force pag naka-incline na imuhang object? For this case, you have this applied force going up, therefore gi-counter na ni frictional force. And then you have this angle theta, this one, angle of the incline from the horizontal surface. Karon kung mohimo ta og x and y axis, this will be our x and this will be our y, this one. We have weight. Take note that weight is always perpendicular sa imuhang ground. Always perpendicular sa imuhang ground. Or always kina siya along vertical axis. Mo na imuhang weight. And then you have this force normal. And timan ipod, ang normal force is always perpendicular sa imuhang contacting surface. Always perpendicular sa imuhang contacting surface. Kay naka-incline man, ang imong normal is perpendicular ani nga contacting surface. And by similar triangles, we know this is theta. And also, this one is theta. Mo gina siya, that is theta. Na kung ato ning i-component ang imong weight, we have this one along y and we have along x. Therefore, summation of force along y equals 0. Force normal minus weight along y equals 0. So you have force normal equals weight along y. Therefore, you have weight times cosine theta. Anong cosine theta? Kay ang angle theta na along y-axis. Mo na yung equation sa force normal pag ang imong surface naka-incline. There is another way para dili mo maglibog sa summation of forces along y and along x. Diba, mo ni atong nakuha nga free body diagram. Kung mo-apply ta og rotation of axis, kung ato ning i-rotate in a clockwise direction, in order nga ma-plaster imuhang x and y axis along vertical and horizontal, at kung ato ning ipatuyok, mo na ni siya. Ug mora gyapon ang equation along y, we have this one, Fn minus weight along y-axis. Naragyapon kay weight or mg times cosine theta. Karon unsa ka ang mga some application of friction? Friction enables us to walk without slipping. Ug gitabangan ta ani aron dili dayon ta ma-slide. The next, kani nga part imuhang belt and clutches para mo transmit og power, di ba? Tungod sa friction maka-transmit siya og power. Munang maka-move siya sa imuhang engine. And then we have also this one, brakes sa ato ang mga motor in order nga to prevent accident og makahunong dayon ta. Mo lang ni ang pipila ka application of friction nga ato ang gi-discuss. And on my next video, mag-solve kog problems regarding frictional force.